How to fix error code 0X80070005. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix the following error code. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So without any further ado now, let's dive right into it. So the process is really simple. First step that you'll need to do is search for services. So head over to your Windows search and search for services. It's right here. Open this up. After you open the services, tap on any service that is currently there. Tap on W. After you press the W key, you will be redirected to this section that starts with W. Now what you'll need to do is search for Windows Update. You can simply search it by scrolling, but it's going to take a lot of time. After you search Windows Update, you can right click on it, and if it's not started, tap on Start, and if it's already starting, tap on Restart. After you've restarted Windows Update, your problem should be fixed. If that does not fix it, open up your command prompt. So simply search for CMD and you can run it as administrator. So give it permission to run as administrator, and after you're here, you'll need to type in the following code. So this is the code. You can copy paste it, you can type it in, it's completely up to you. So let me just copy this and paste it right here. Not bad. After you press it, hit enter and your command prompt will do its thing, and finally restart your device. After you've done that, your problem will get fixed. And that's basically it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below, and again, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys.